So one of the things that you can do is go ahead and save a section window so you can go ahead and view the section window in the future exactly as it was. So for that, I'm going to go around over here onto tools right here, and then I'm going to go around over here onto section pane, and I'm simply going to go around and click a section pane and name the section pane as I want. So I'm just going to go around and say, let's say for example, view 1 right here, just like this. So this is what you have. So if I were to go around over here and move, you can see that this is a section pane that I have that I want to save. So now to do that, I'm going to go around over here onto Windows right here. And then over here in the default tray, let's just go around over here and enable scenes just like this. And over here in scene, I'm going to go ahead and add this out right here and save it as a new style. So this is scene 1, as you can see. So now around over here, I'm going to go around and let's say, for example, move this section pane right around over here. And I'm going to go ahead add in second scene right here, just like this as well. So now let's just go around over here onto, let's say, for example, the section pane again, and I'm going to go around over here onto the right hand side from this. And now let me just go ahead and move this section pane right here. Let's just go ahead and select the section pane, and I'm just going to go around and move this out right here and click on the plus button right here to add in the scene. So as I click on the scene, you can actually see the scenes in section pane now. So this is scene 1. Then if I were to go around over here, this is one scene, click on this is another scene. The section pane changes out as I click on it, as you can see right here. So there's the scene right here, just like this as well. So there's the scene 1, scene 2, and scene 3 right here. So let's just go around over here onto the scene 1 and then move around the section pane that I have right here. So let's just go around over here onto this one, and I'm going to go ahead and pull this out right here, just like this. So this is scene 1. And this is other scene right here. So this is how you can simply go ahead and choose out the scene as you want right here, just like this, and save around the section panes as you want inside of SketchUp, and so that you can go ahead and change out the views whenever you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.